Hello, Tom for Every Step Calculus, everystepphysics.com. Difference quotient, which is supposedly from Newton. The definition of derivative. Remember, the derivative is slope of a line. That's it. Nothing more. But this is, using kind of the Pythagorean theorem, x, y, and then you use the hypotenuse. That's what's happening here. So anyways, as you change the height and the length of the right triangle, the hypotenuse gets closer and closer to something, a point if you're doing it on a curve. So let's do it. I'm going to do several of these now because there's different systems. There's different. If you have a division sign, you need to find the common denominator, and there's various tricks to it. So I'm going to do several videos on it. This one's just a straight ahead switching of x plus h into all the x terms of a function. This is the limit as the function is computed, and h goes to 0. So let's do it. Scroll down here to difference quotient in my menu. If you're lucky enough to buy my fabulous programs. There's difference quotient. And I give you the formula. Here's the formula. F prime is a derivative of this, and here's the formula here. F of x plus h minus f of x all over h. And I give you simple instructions too. If you use delta x in your professor's teachings, then you use that instead of h. A little more complicated. We're going to enter the function. You have to press alpha first before you enter anything into my entry lines of my programs. Okay, so you have to press alpha, and the function is 8 times x squared plus 2 times x minus 3. Now we show you what you've entered. You can change it if you want. I say it's okay. Again, I show you the formula. You've got to write the formula on your paper, okay, so you look like you know what you're doing. You've gotten, with partial credit, you've already gotten 2 points, 3 points credit right now. And we substitute x of h for all the x's in the function of the formula. X plus the program that I use uses quotation marks, but you're going to use parentheses in your paper. 8 times parentheses x plus h close parentheses squared, etc. Remember that, okay? And then we expand it. Comes up with these terms here, all over h. We combine the numerator, turns into this. We factor out the h. This factors out the 2 also. And we get this. We divide it by h. That's the reason we factor out h, so we can divide it and get rid of things. Divide by h, and here we come with this here. And then we substitute 0 for h, as h goes to 0. And the answer then is 16x plus 2, which is the derivative of this function here. Pretty neat, huh? everystepcalculus.com. Go to my site, buy my programs, and pass your calculus. Have a good one.